I'm Natalie, I'm the founder of Bosibl Academy, and we try to impact young people's lives through the medium of coffee, so working with local young people, delivering barista training programs and employability programs.
I'm Yvonne Murphy and I'm the creator of the Democracy Box and the Talking Shop.
My name is Joshua White. I'm a young co-creator and assistant producer of the Democracy Box.
The Democracy Box is all about young people finding creative ways to explain the basics of our democracy to other young people, old people and everyone in between. A time when I felt that we were making the impossible possible was when I first started to see the young co-creators making content which explained the basics of our democracy, and their imaginations were just wild.
It's very hard to make boring things very cool in this modern day. I think, making music that is passive to listen to doesn't feel like you're in class or like a children's rhyme, but just something fun, interesting, and it bangs. I think that's amazing. That for me is making the impossible possible.
The kind of Wales I want to see in the future is a bright one, both for my children as well and for the local young people in this community. One full of opportunity.
A more inclusive Wales. That is what I want to see.
Where every single person, every citizen understands the basics of our democracy, and that includes understanding that we have groundbreaking legislation in the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act.